I have been on self-improvement for around 2 years now, and during this time, bro, I have watched hundreds of podcasts from all of these types of channels, and then I have also read a bunch of books trying to understand what personality is the best, what is the best mixture of personality that we need. And I think, bro, I've just recently cracked the code on getting the perfect personality you need, especially if you are a Muslim, bro. So, bro, before you can understand the perfect personality, you need to understand that there are actually two major types of personalities for men, like the traditional cold, serious, working like 10 hours a day type, and the new anime like feminine type of men. Like these are the two major types of personalities for men. So what we want to do is, we don't want this and we don't want this. What we want is, we want a mixture of these two. We want to be somewhere in the middle among these two. So we want to become a gentle giant. We want to become the person who is capable of strength, who knows when to use his strength, but he just does not use it all the time, and he is not serious all the time. So for this, you must have a masculine core, but you must also know how to turn into a child, how to be a child again. So for this, what you need to do is that if you are too much of an anime type guy, you need to learn about what work ethic, you need to start a business, you need to become strong, and you need to do all of these things, like the things that will bring you from this side of the bar to around this side of the bar. But if you are too much on this side, you need to learn to like play a game. You need to learn to stop being so serious all the time. Like a few days ago, I was visiting a cousin of mine. His age is like around 7 to 8 years, and every time we go to their house, he asks me to play with him. But me trying to be masculine and like serious all the time, I like say no, I don't want to play with you, because like I don't actually say that I'm trying to be like man or like something like this, but I just say no, I don't want to play. Like go and ask some other cousin or something. But this time I was like, why not play with him? I like said yes this time, and he was so happy on that. And then we had a pillow fight. Just think about it. Like I'm 18 years old, and he is I think 7 to 8 years old. Like I would have mocked the ground with him, but of course I wasn't like serious or anything. Like I was going like easy on him, and I was letting him hit me a lot more times than I was hitting him. And so bro, we had so much fun that like I cannot even tell you like the amount of fun we had on that day. And so just think about that. If I would have said no on that day as well, and I would have been trying to be a masculine guy, like being too serious and cold all the time, like I would not have had that fun experience with my cousin. You need to start to learn to play a game. You need to start to become a child again. You need to stop being so serious and cold all the time. And so you need to even start going more into nature. Start spending more time with nature, so that you can like not be too serious and cold all the time. If you are on this side, try coming to this side. And if you are on this side, do the things that will bring you to this side. So bro, armies used to have like a vanguard. Like this was like the part of the army which used to like basically like clear out the path, like make sure that there are no enemies, no hurdles, no obstacles among the path of the main army. You need to understand that role models are also like vanguard for us. Role models are the people who are actually better than us in an area of life that we want to improve in. So if you want to improve in your like grades or something like this, you need a role model, like which could be the guy who is the top of your campus, or he could not be because he studies like 10 hours a day and you don't want to study 10 hours a day. So just watch my video. But then if you want to improve in your like physique, in your business, you actually go and find role models. So bro, you also need a role model for this hybrid type personality. But as I said bro, this type of personality is kind of new, but it isn't that new as well. So the people who had this type of personality were the companions of the Prophet, peace be upon him. And whether you like it or not bro, they had the hybrid personality. They knew when to be strong, they knew when to kill their enemies, and they also knew when to have fun with their friends and with their family. So bro, whether you like it or not, and whether you believe it or not, the companions of the Prophet, peace be upon him, had the hybrid type personality. They weren't too serious or cold all the time, and they weren't and not capable of strength as well. So they had the hybrid type personality. And so bro, if you are Muslim, you have this massive advantage over non-Muslims, that you actually have role models for this hybrid personality, and you don't have to figure this entire thing out. And like they are the vanguard. They have already cleared the path for you to attain this hybrid personality. And all you need to do is you need to just follow in their footsteps, and like follow the path that they followed, and not try to take another path that the vanguard has not cleared. And so you just take the path that the vanguard took, because bro, the vanguard has already reached the position that you want to go to. So you follow the vanguard. If you want to go to a place that a person has already reached, you don't follow the advice of another person. Don't follow in the footsteps of another person. You follow the footsteps of the person who has been there. Like that is like common sense. You need to start to learn about the companions of the Prophet, peace be upon him. And so I'm not like going to force you to like study, to like learn about this and this companions. Like just learn about the companions that you yourself and are interested in. If you are like a zestful, like a masculine guy, you would like learn about Umar bin Khattab, like Khalid bin Walid. But if you want to be more of the scholarly type, you would like learn about Anas bin Malik and Abdullah bin Mas'ud and all of those companions. And bro, there is nothing wrong with that, because bro, you need to understand that every companion had his strengths. Like Khalid bin Walid was a military general and a warrior, and he was not expected to be a Hafiz, and he wasn't. But the companions who were Huffaz, most of them were not great warriors. So bro, every companion had his strengths and his weaknesses. And so what the Prophet, peace be upon him, did is that he, peace be upon him, accelerated every single one of that companion in the area in which he had a natural ability. This is just the concept of just read the book that you yourself are interested in, learn about the person you yourself are interested in, and you would start to become the hybrid type of personality. But this would take time, like this would take a lot of time. So you must pay the price today if you want something tomorrow. And then bro, do good, and I'll see you in Jannah.